Okay, open instrument case. 4 latches total. First remove fiber optic, then handheld probe. Remove fiber first to avoid bending. Then take adapter, power cable, Type B data cable. Power cable to outlet, then to adapter. Adapter to device. Type B cable to device and computer. Take white ref panel, test light probe, and sample. Probe connector has notch aligned to connect. Fiber through this channel, lock to cap. Insert cap into port. Connect fiber end to probe. Open test software. Install from USB drive. Launch software. Select connect probe. Connected. Coordinates will show here. Now capture dark reference. Use collect probe, attach fiber other end. Select reflectance test spectral mode. Light on, run amplitude test, second option left. 1. Dark ref. 2. Light on, white ref data. Place sample, collect reflectance via computer. Or use handheld probe. Done! For probe capture, press this button.